Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're using Windows 10 and want the new features of Windows 11, but your PC shows that it's not supported, this video is for you. The best part is you will not lose any of your data. Many older computers fail the TPM or Secure Boot checks, but the good news is you can still upgrade safely without buying a new device. So, before we start, please like the video and subscribe to support my small channel.
First, let's check the computer with the PC Health Check app. It will show whether our system is supported for Windows 11. When we click Check Now, you can see it says this PC can't run Windows 11. Don't worry, we will still install it. We will use a free tool to remove Windows 11 requirements. To install Windows 11, first we will need a Windows 11 ISO file. Open your browser and search for Windows 11 download. Open the official Microsoft website that appears first. This is Microsoft's official website. Scroll down to the ISO download section. Select Windows 11 ISO and click Confirm. It will ask for your current Windows language. If you don't know your language setting, then open Command Prompt as Administrator. Here, type the command and press Enter. This will show your system language. Choose it on the website and click Confirm again. Now click the 64-bit download button. The ISO file will start downloading. After the download is done, we will use a tool called Rufus to remove Windows 11 requirements. Again, open your browser. Now search for Rufus. Open first website and download its latest version. It's a small app and downloads quickly. Now open your Downloads folder. Open Rufus and plug in your USB drive. We will use USB only to extract files. Now click Select and choose the Windows 11 ISO file we downloaded. Here, choose the right partition type for your system, GPT or MBR. If you don't know your partition scheme, simply search System Information on Windows Sevbar and open it. Here you will find BIOS mode. If it's Legacy, then choose MBR, and if it's UEFI, then choose GPT. Now leave all settings as it is and click Start. A message will appear asking if you want to remove the TPM, Secure Boot and CPU requirements. First, enter your username here. Now select all of these options, like I'm doing. This allows Windows 11 to install on unsupported hardware. Rufus will create the bootable USB. After it finishes, you can close Rufus. Now open your USB drive. Here you will see a setup file. Open it,
to start installation. Windows 11 Setup window will open. Click here and choose Not Right Now and click Next. Now it will start making setup ready. It will check your PC. Accept the agreements. When it gives you warning that your PC is not supported, click Accept. When it shows Ready to Install, click Choose what to keep. If you want to keep your files and settings, then choose First option. And if you want a fresh install, then choose Third option. Finally, everything is ready. Click Install. And there you go. Our Windows installation has started successfully. Now wait until it completes. And that's it. You now have Windows 11 installed on your unsupported PC. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe for more tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.